What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add QR codes in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up your Canva design and then go to the left-hand panel and click Apps. Now search for QR codes and select QR code. A panel will open where you can enter the link you want your QR code to point to. I've already copied a URL link, so we'll paste it in this box. Once your link is added, click on Generate Code and the QR code will automatically appear on your design. You can drag the corner handles to size it accordingly and make sure it's large enough and clear so that it can be scanned easily. Click outside when you're done, and that's how you add QR codes to Canva.